Thank you, Temu, for sponsoring this video. So let's get started on this curtain rod project. Okay, y'all, today we're going to install the curtain rod in my dollhouse. As y'all see, the cute dollhouse, I love it. But instead of using it as a curtain rod, I'm going to use it as a closet rod to hang like little miniature clothes on. So we got the we got the rod, and we got the hooks that came with it. I'm going to attach the hooks first by using this foam mountain tape, y'all. So I'm going to cut it, of course, and then apply it. So let's get started. So that's how it looked, the backing look after I applied the tape. So I'm going to try to make them as evenly spaced out and lined up as possible just by eyeing it. I might need to get a ruler now that I'm thinking about it. Okay, y'all. This is the spot I'm going to put it. So I'm just eyeballing it. Oh my God. Do I got the right? I don't got the right one. Oh my Jesus. Okay. It's kind of high. It's still not doing it. Oh, y'all. I'm not going to even turn it off, guys. Is it on there? I don't think I took the tape off. I didn't take the tape off, y'all. Let's try it again. Okay. There we go. So I got that one on. Let me take the tape off of this one. So here goes the second one. I didn't get all the tape off. That's sticky enough. I'm just gonna try to line it up. Ooh, uh-oh. Hopefully that's kind of head to the no. I'm gonna get a ruler, guys. Check a ruler. I'm gonna use these scissors. Okay. Okay, y'all. That's close enough. Okay, guys. So let's add the rod. And this is with the rod. Y'all, I really like how it turned out. And look how cute that little hanger is. It's the perfect touch, y'all. I can't wait to complete this project. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. See you next project.
Send your opinion for the rapper getting it wrong.